As a student, first of all, I didn't even know Epicenter existed because my degree was predominantly online. And when I visited the campus, this facility was kind of this mysterious place that it sounds very high tech, but we have no idea what's going on inside. So actually being able to come in here and work on a research project was such a privilege, and I'm really glad that I'm part of it.
So yeah, for me, I was aware of Epicenter. Even though I was aware of it and I have gone through a few tours of the place, it still seemed a little bit inaccessible. Being introduced to Rob and Conan and playing around with the actual hardware around the place, well, it turned Epicenter into something real for me.
What we're trying to do is using an industry-level motion capture system to capture the movement of a live performer, collect that data, and then import those motion data to a game design engine so that we can add effects and export it to a VR headset so people can see the decorated sets. We reached out to one of the most renowned contemporary choreographers in Australia, Sean Parker, and he was really excited about this project. He and one of the company's dancers, Joe Fenton, came in and contributed their choreography skills. It was great to get their feedback on things that we could improve and how our research concept has the potential to be utilized in the dance industry.
This project, I kind of see it as making this technology a little bit more accessible. We wouldn't have been able to capture the motion of the dancers with the same level of fidelity with just using consumer available hardware.
I felt like I was trusted to work with really expensive equipment. I was also supported by both Matt and Rob, so I didn't feel like I was alone at any point of this project. And on the contrary, I felt like I was given so much trust, which I really appreciate. Yeah.